Righto, so we've made it into Cooktown. We've just come to one of the shipping depots. We've been trying to hunt down some parts for the van for...
Yeah, so as you know, the other week we needed to replace our brakes.
Yeah, we got the van
on the van
fixed because the rotor got munched out, but we've finally hunted it down. We used our first effort at the Australia Post app and failed miserably. It's just ended up at the TNT courier, and they said they rung the post office. They knew nothing about it, so we're here to pick it up. So I'm going to go in, hopefully it's still here, pick it up and get the van fixed to start. But yeah, so that's our first stop in Cooktown. All right, I'll go and grab that and I'll be back. Success. So, brake rotor, brake pads, we can get the van sorted before we head up the PDR, but yeah, took like a month to get these to us, which is part of the problem when you're traveling full time, I guess. But Cruise Master rotors are custom made to each van, so we had to get it specially built, which, whatever, it's here now. Righto, let's get to the caravan park, let's get set up and let's get it on.
So we just checked into the G'day Park here at Cooktown, and yeah, we're getting escorted to our site. So
bloody stunning little park on face value. Yeah, you get a personal escort. Never had this before. Follow him up in his little golf cart. Should probably pay more attention to him and less attention to you guys, but
anyway, we'll get into our site, site 33, and go from there.
Got all the stuff ready to sort this van out, so all I gotta do is come down here and have a look. This rotor got pretty munched out when the brake pad let go last time, so we're gonna jack it up, pull the wheel off, pull that rotor off. Got the new one there, a new set of brake pads so that it's matching with that disc. I'll keep these ones as spares, which is kind of handy, and there's a new, the new one comes with a new set of bearings too, so I'll have a new spare set of bearings. But yeah, for now we'll jack it up, get the wheel off and have a look, make sure there's nothing too underwater as to what we've got to do to fix it.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go, spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my...
Right, I'm just gonna drop the stabiliser legs down, but one good thing about independent suspension is that only one wheel comes off the ground when you jack it up, so the rest of them are all planted firmly, so that's nice and safe. Yeah, we'll have a look here. She's a bit much up. The guys at the van shop, when I got it fixed last time, done a pretty good job of doing enough to get me on the road anyway, so shout out to those guys, much appreciated. But we'll fling these caliper out of the way, get the rotor off and slip the new one on.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Oh no, that could have been much simpler if I tried. Well done, Cruise Master. Thanks for making it easy. So we dropped the old caliper off, and then the brakes, the rotors are just held on by the wheel nuts. So once the caliper come off, the whole rotor come off. The new set come with a new center hub, which I didn't have to use anyway because this center hub come off. Just the rotors dropped off, and we just replaced the rotor using the old center hub. So now I've got a new center hub, new set of bearings, spare set of brake pads, and new gear all around. So happy days. We'll throw the wheel back on and job's done.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
And that is that. Wheel back on. Wheel nuts all done up. The center cap back on. Everything looks smicky, ready to head to the Cape. So super stoked with how easy that was. But yeah, now I can get up to the Cape and not have to worry about that brake failing on me. So happy days.
So we're just taking a little drive after setting up here in Cooktown to Grassy Lookout, I think it was called. Right at the top of the hill here. It is very windy, so excuse the wind. It did have strong wind warnings for today, so yeah, and as you can hear, it is very windy, but the view from up here is absolutely beautiful. The hills on this side, the ocean. It's got a little lighthouse up here.
Grassy hill, if that's not what you said.
Yeah, I think I said Grassy Hill. So I'm going to take a look up top here and see what there is and give you a look at the view. So according to this little guide here on the concrete, I'll give you a look at it in a second. Cape York, where we're headed, is that way. Straight that way.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be in your life. The weight on your shoulders, time to put it down. You fall and you break, you got battles to take.
There's also a little time capsule here. So the Cooktown RSLA sub-branch on the 8th of December 1973 put in a time capsule here to be opened in 2073. So how cool is that? We won't be here at that time, but anyone here to take a look in 2073, it'll be very interesting.
Hey, I'll only be 80. Go easy.
Yeah. You reckon we'll make it here?
I won't be here, but you're just going to find out what's in it.
Apparently, London is the same way with Cape York.
It's a bit better in the car here, but yeah, this lighthouse up here that you can sort of see out the window was operating up until, I think it said 1987. But yeah, so it was an operating lighthouse for many years, and basically this is just a Captain Cook
Monument type thing.
Yeah, monument type thing to
He actually landed
where
here.
he landed. So yeah.
What are we doing? We're out exploring waterfalls again. There's a few good falls in the area that we are going to check out, and the first one is Endeavour Falls. So we've pulled into Endeavour, I don't know, it's a little campground, caravan park here that you've got to sort of just check in and before you walk up to, so, and then it's a short little walk. So we're going to go in and check that out. It meant to be pretty cool, but there is lots of snapping handbags here apparently, so we're not allowed to touch the water, which is fine. We will stay well away from the water. But the next one we're going to is swim friendly, so hopefully we'll get to check that one out and have a swim. But for now, we'll just get in and have a look at this one. So this is Endeavour Falls. As you can see, we're keeping a good distance away from the edge because as we're walking down here, there's a local turned up. He said, plenty of crocs down here and I'll get you. So I'm not taking any risks and haven't seen any, but I'm not going to take the risk. But yeah, these are cool. Literally just down the back of the caravan park. So we'll check these out for a little bit and then we'll move on to the next one. The next one is the Falls, I think it is. We can actually swim at, so we'll probably get in the water there and show you around. And this is Isabella Falls. Apparently you can swim at this one, so mind you, the weather today is bloody miserable for far north. It's not superly warm and it's raining, but so there's absolutely no way that the kids are passing up the opportunity to go for a swim. Don't mind me, then it will slip over. But kids being kids, as I said before, makes us that freaking happy. They're having boat races. I don't know who's winning, but they've all got their lead. They're having a boat race. Who won? Oh, Josh reckons he won. So, and getting out and enjoying it is what this whole trip is all about. So, very, very happy. But yeah, what a cracking little spot this is. Yeah, very easy. They're right up the side of the road, down. Oh yeah, down that road, Battle Camp Road. That's what I'm after. Down Battle Camp Road, and yeah, happy days. So everyone got a little bit hungry, so we whipped out the cookers. We got the induction going. We got the All for Adventure little butane one going. Had some rissoles that we got at the butcher the other day. Some buns from the local bakery, and cooked up a storm. Had some mad little rissole hamburgers. They were top notch too. So everyone's fed, everyone's back down swimming because we just can't get the kids out of the water. Those two are, I'm assuming, going to go back down at some point. No. Or maybe not. But anyway, life here is good. Wouldn't be dead for quids, would you? Yeah, so what a stunner little stop down this was. The kids are just about wrapping up their swim and they're going to go and do a bit more exploring. And yeah, this is what we envisioned our Cape trip to be like. So we've only just started and absolutely loving it.
And I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing will stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff. And turn to the next one. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it. Go, go, go. Running to better times. Go, go, go. From my emotions, I'll go, go, go. Running to better times. 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 To better times.
So we've just come into Home Rules Falls. You park out at the reception on Home Rules Campground. The drive in here was a bit of fun. Not sure how long the walk is, but they've been told to put shoes on, so we are. Everyone's putting their no bites on, and we'll get in there and check it out. It's meant to be pretty cool, so we'll see. So we just found out it's about a half hour, 45-minute walk in. Been told to prepare for leeches. Sounds awesome, so what if it won't be worth it when we get in there. But anyway, the things you do, eh?
Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
Come to a rather steep little incline up here. All rocky and whatnot, but beautiful little walk. And just found my first leech, so happy days. Tell you what, if not real steady on your feet or you got walking ailments, probably don't recommend doing this one. She's a bit of a steep climb up in here, and we're not 100% certain where we're going either. We don't know if we're lost or. But anyway, we'll keep going up and The instructions that old mate gave us at the reception were clear as mud. But anyway, up we go.
Mud isn't clear.
Exactly. Righto, now we're going up, we're coming down. Oh yeah, it's just a bit of a slippery climb down here. There is a chance we may break a neck, or a GoPro, or a camera, one of the three, but anyhow, they look pretty impressive. We'll show you in a sec. Well, I've got to say the walk in was probably worth it. Check these out, these are cool. And there's no crocs up here, so the kids are probably 100% going to go for a swim, I'd say. So yeah, we're going to sit here, check these out for a bit, and then hike back out of here, but yeah. Make sure you clip your bonnet down when you're playing underneath it, because otherwise it tends to pop up when you hit 100. That could have been rather nasty, but anyway, no harm, no foul.
So we just finished our day off here in Cooktown, our last day of exploring at Keating's Lagoon. So we'll give you a look at the footage for that, and yeah, it looked absolutely awesome with all the lily pads on it.
Meant to be crocodiles in there. Still haven't seen a croc.
Yeah, still didn't see the crocodiles, but anyway, we've still got plenty of time for that.
Yeah.
We're still heading north. We're heading off tomorrow and
Hitting the PDR.
yeah, hitting the PDR.
So looking super excited to get on hit the dirt road, get the tyres down and head north. But yeah,
We've stocked up. We're ready to go.
Cooktown has been absolutely amazing. Actually, we've had a great time here.
Sorry for the
Cooktown
sneeze.
countdown's on.
Ah.
Yeah, so we'll yeah, we're out here tomorrow morning anyway, so going to get some fuel now and get ready and do all the stuff we need to do and out of here in the morning.
That's a wrap on Cooktown, and what an amazing time we've had here chasing waterfalls and chasing croc sightings. That
Yeah, which didn't avail,
happen.
but yeah, no, Cooktown's been wicked, but we have places to be. The PDR awaits. We're packed up, ready to go and getting out of here, so
Yay!
tune in next episode and catch us while we hit the PDR.
How exciting.
Righto, for now, we're out of here. See you guys.
Bye.